video that I did with her doing the slime. Actually, my hands are like that. So her channel is TTY Squad. Yeah, TTY Squad. So and this is the slime that I did. Wait a second. Just going to put it down. Oh my god, this is hard. Now, this is the slime that I did. It's like purple, and I think it looks blue or purple in camera. I don't really know. But I made slime, and it's so sticky that I don't want to touch it because it was sticking to your fingers. That's why my hands are like that, because it was sticking to your finger. I was mixing it inside, and then when I came out, my hands was all, and I will show you how it is, like how it was. Wait. It was like this, like that, so like that, and then like it was like that, and then I started mixing it, and then when I take it out, my hands are pink. So, but now I mixed it, and then now it's not no more gooey. So, oh my god, look my hands. Little. This is hard to take out. Just a little piece. So, and I made another slime for y'all to see. Okay. Looks like space. It looks like toothpaste to do. Like the blue toothpaste. It's falling. Yay! Oh my god. So I just wanted to show you that. I wanted to show you this slime and the slime that I did like right now. And the mess that I did with this slime. So, oh, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients for y'all can do it. You're gonna need body wash. Where is it? Of course, salt, and oh my god, how to get it? And this. I just got a little bit. I have to buy more. And you will need it. This delicious berry, and this berry, but with vitamin liquor has soap refill, berry blue. So it smells so good. What is that noise? I think yeah, good. I think. One moment, guys. It was an airplane, guys. It was like down. It was like, oh my god. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, yeah, I should do all the ingredients. Oh, body wash, salt, food coloring, cup, spoon, you already know. And make sure you buy this soap. It smells so good. And here, and then you're gonna make like twig slime. So it's gonna be, if you're gonna do it, make sure when you're done, like get with a spoon and put it in the bag, because it's gonna stick in your fingers because it's so good. This one is not like that gooey. It sticks. You can see it sticks. So it sticks. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, give a like. If you don't like it, you don't have to like it. And comment for I could comment, and I could teach you how to do it, and I could talk to y'all. And I'm gonna give a giveaway. It's gonna be I don't know if I'm going to give it away, but I think I am. Yeah, my family, I want to give it away to y'all. Oops. So I hope you enjoy this video, vlog, I don't know. And make sure you do this like at your house, and make sure you put it in Ziplocs so it cannot drop or stick anywhere. Okay? So if you don't like it, give a thumbs down. If you like it, give a thumbs up. But make sure you like it. Bye! And we'll be back with more videos on Friday and tomorrow. Bye. Oh, guys, I forgot something. I'm gonna give a shout out to GB Nation. They got married and they was in the honeymoon. So cute. I seen the video. If y'all don't see it, go see it. Bye.